Hello superfans, I'm Bethany. Grab your imaginary shields, because today we are going on a huge adventure. We're traveling back over 1,000 years to meet the Vikings and Anglo-Saxons. Are you ready? Let's go. First came the Anglo-Saxons from Germany, looking for new homes. Then, crash. The Vikings burst onto the scene from Scandinavia. That's countries like Norway, Sweden, and Denmark today. They were tough, brave, and ready for action. The Vikings were the best sailors in the world. They built incredible longships with fierce dragon heads carved on the front to scare away sea monsters and enemies. Roar! These ships were fast and could sail right up onto the beach. They didn't have GPS or maps like us. They used the sun, the stars, and even ravens to find their way across the giant, stormy ocean. If the raven flew to land, they followed it. Clever, right? At first, the Vikings were scary raiders. They attacked a place called Lindisfarne and took gold and treasures. People were terrified. They shouted, "The Vikings are coming. Run!" But wait. Not all Vikings were fighters. Many were farmers who just wanted good land. They settled down, built houses, and grew crops like wheat and barley. They became neighbors with the Anglo-Saxons. They ate yummy stews, fish, cheese, and dark bread. And for clothes, they wore wool tunics and cloaks fastened with beautiful shiny brooches to keep out the chilly British wind. Now, let's talk about their amazing gods. The king of gods was Odin, the All-Father. He had only one eye and two magical ravens, Hugin and Munnin, who flew around the world bringing him news. And then there was Thor, the god of thunder. He had a magic hammer called Mjolnir. Whenever there was a thunderstorm, crack boom. People thought it was Thor fighting giants in the sky. There was also Freya, the goddess of love who rode a chariot pulled by cats. And Loki, the trickster god who was always causing trouble and playing pranks on everyone. Naughty Loki. We still say their names every day. Tuesday is Tyr's day, Wednesday is Woden's day, that's Odin, Thursday is Thor's day, and Friday is Freya's day. You're speaking Viking without knowing it. The Anglo-Saxons had a famous king called Alfred the Great. He fought the Vikings, but also made peace. Legend says he was once so busy thinking about saving his kingdom, he accidentally burnt some cakes. Oops. Time for MYTH Buster. Did Vikings wear horned helmets? Nope. They never did. That would be silly in a battle. Enemies could grab the horns. Their helmets were smooth and shiny. They wrote in mysterious letters called runes. They believed runes had magical powers. They carved them on stones to remember heroes and adventures. What an epic journey! The Vikings and Anglo-Saxons were fierce, clever, and full of stories. Thanks for exploring with me. Smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye.